Hi class, my name is Caleb Douglas, but you can just call me Caleb. I go by Caleb. Um, I currently live in Minneapolis, Minnesota, but I grew up in Seattle, Washington, and I moved at a very young age, so I don't really remember much of Seattle, Washington. Um, and then the major that I'm going for at Post University is a bachelor's in business administration. Before Post University, I went to Concordia University in St. Paul. There I was going for business management, and then I just made the switch when I came to Post University. I decided to come to Post University because I wanted to try an online school, plus I didn't really like necessarily driving down to my college during the winter. Future career goals for me necessarily would to be just work for like a Fortune 500 company. In Minnesota we have like 3M, we have Target, Medtronic, General Mills. So I wouldn't really mind working for any of those companies. And the communication skills that would be necessary to be successful in your future career. I would just necessarily say verbal communication is key if you're going to be successful in any career, so I'm just going to go with that. And then developments in technology and media. I feel like technology is constantly evolving, so I feel like it's only going to be getting incorporated more in the corporate world. And I feel like it's only going to be making our jobs easier. So as I get older, technology is going to be my best friend. And then on my free time, I like to play basketball, play football. A couple hobbies of mine is I play video games, and I have a dog that I take care of. I have a 2-year-old German Shepherd. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.